Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Gosia. Today's thought of the day is the Prophet ﷺ said, pay the labor his wages before he sweat dries. Thank you.
Thank you, Gosia, for such a great thought. Now I would like to welcome Arfa Islam and my classmate to pay tribute to labor of our society.
To start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and ever merciful. Honorable Principal, esteemed teachers, and aspiring students, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Arfa Islam from grade 7E. Today we stand united to celebrate the backbone of our society, the workers, the ones who rise early, toil late, and build better world for all of us. The ones who keep our economy growing, our communities thriving, and our bills cracked and our nation progressing. The one who deserve our respect, our support, and our gratitude. Yes, I'm talking about the heroes of our society, the workers who never give up. They are the backbone of our society, building, creating, innovating, and making things happen. They are the ones who keep the wheels of progress turning, who keeps the wheels economy growing, and our communities thriving. Let's stand tall, stand proud, and stand together to celebrate their achievements, struggles, and triumphs. They are the force that shapes the future, builds a better world, and makes a difference. Let's raise our voices, raise our fists, and let's create a world where every worker is valued, respected, and treated with dignity. Workers, your labor is not just a job, it's a legacy. Your work is not just a task, it's a chime. Your voices is not just a whisper, it's a roar that will be heard for generations to come. Workers' right, workers' power, workers' proud. बोझ कंधों से कम करो साहिब, बोझ कंधों से कम करो साहिब, दिन मनाने से कुछ नहीं होता. शुक्रिया.
Thank you, Arfa and my dear classmate, for an excellent performance. The purpose of singing national anthem is to show pride, respect, and love. To beloved our country. So singing it loudly and proudly